So I just want to give you a little overview of the Ninja chopper, which I've had for about a year. I purchased this initially for some pureed recipes after surgery, but I use it all the time now for all sorts of things like onions and garlic, chopping up the celery, veggies for things for making stock, that kind of stuff. It's really useful to have. So I want to give you a little overview of what you get and how it works. So you get the main unit, which is here. It is plugged in, and if I press it, it doesn't work. It's got a safety catch on it, so it won't start working until it's all locked in and safe to use. And you get a couple of these little drums. They look quite like the ones you get on the Ninja Creamy, don't they? They are very similar looking, and they are the caps there, which have a sealable lid, and it also has a very, very, very strong blade. You can buy spares of all these things if you wanted to add them, but this is plenty for me. I don't need any more. And what you do is you add your food in there, obviously clean it all first, and then you pop it all in there. Now, if you was just to put the lid on here and start blending, it wouldn't work. It needs one of these lids on it, which is a good thing because you do not want the inside of this unit to get dirty, because it just gets to be a pain to clean. So it has two parts. One is to keep everything in, stops your unit getting dirty, and there you go. You pop that on, and it is ready to blend. So that is the blend strength of what to expect. So let's put some strawberries in now. So in terms of ideas, what you could use it for, so many: chopping up nuts for your own granolas, and for cooking, making your own chocolate pieces for chocolate chip cakes, for smoothie bowls. Obviously your savouries, you've got your garlic, onions, all those things, all your herbs. You've got things like cinnamon and nutmeg and all those things. So it is really the endless possibilities. If you do preferred preservation, it'd be really good for grinding down dried veggies and things, and dried herbs. So there we go, I've got that in there. I'm going to do this for going over granola bowls, but you can also use it if you're making homemade like muffins and you want to have real fruit in there, or in cakes, you could use that. So here we go. So 3 pulses, and you've got a nice, really chunky consistency already. With 3 pulses, that's bonkers, isn't it? That's how strong it is. So to be honest with you, that for me is going to be enough for over my granola bowls, because I like it like that. You can add a little bit of honey in there, or agave, or even just some sugar if you want to. Pop that in the refrigerator, and for a couple of days just spoon it over your cereal, granola, porridge, baked oats, oatmeal, all that stuff. You can put peaches in there, apples if you want to make like an apple puree. That'd be really good as well. So yeah, it's just such a powerful little unit. So all I'm going to do now is take out the blade, lovely, put the cap on, and that is now ready to store in the fridge. How smart is that? That's another reason why they've got the caps on with the little lids, because then you can just prep and go. You can make a marinade in that. So you could put in your make salsa in there, but you put chilies, some oil, garlic, salt, pepper, paprika, make a really nice marinade, and it's all done in seconds. Absolutely awesome. So just generally, it is limitless in what you can do with it, and it's very smart, very strong, and just a really good product from Ninja. And if you're making your own mix-ins for your creamy, you can make all of your own mix-ins with this as well. So really do recommend it. It's an awesome little product. And also, if you are not satisfied, they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied, you can always return it for a refund within 30 days, and they will sort it out for you. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.